G'day guys, welcome back to another video. So I had an interesting idea. I've seen a few videos of people, normally people making art sort of videos, doing a challenge where you do something in 10 seconds, 1 minute, and 10 minutes, and see which one turns out the best. And I thought it'd be cool to do this with Rubik's Cube. So the challenge I've devised today is to see how many Rubik's Cubes, 3x3 specifically, I can solve in 10 seconds, 1 minute, and 10 minutes. I have a whole lot of Rubik's Cubes here. I've got all my good ones that I feel like I'll be able to solve relatively quickly. You know, if I solve all these and it's still got 10 minutes, then I'll just pause and scramble again, but we'll see what happens. So I've got my cube, I've got my timer, and we're essentially gonna see how many I can solve, starting with 10 seconds. I think I know the answer to this one. Start this timer. We'll quickly have a look. It's actually not bad. I'll start a bit of inspection, but here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, there you go. That's the timer already done. I mean, if I got a better scramble, I could do it in 10 seconds, but honestly, not bad. That was about 80% of a cube. Let's go 1 minute. So I've got my timer again. I've got 5 cubes. I think that's relatively doable. So I got my 5 cubes. We're gonna see how we go. So I'm gonna start the timer. I should probably get a cube first. All right, this one's pretty good. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. +2, you saw that. Alright, fair enough. Pretty much 4 cubes. This one didn't manage to get to, but not a bad attempt. I should probably say I literally just jumped into this, not even really planning, because I just thought it was a cool idea. So I probably should have practiced a little bit, but this is literally my first attempt. 4 cubes, not bad. Let's see how many you can get in 10 minutes. Let's mix them up. I've got 16 cubes. All really different, some of them pretty crap, but you know, we'll see how long this takes, and if I can solve all these in 10 minutes, which I'm assuming I'll be able to, but yeah, it'll be interesting. So I might have to pause and then scramble them again, and then we'll see how it goes. Let's go. There we have it, guys. So that was 34 cubes in 10 minutes, which is, I guess, pretty good. I don't know, I don't really know what I was expecting, but it ended up pretty well. Just in time, I got my last cube in. But anyway, you should definitely try this for yourself. It was really fun. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.